Welcome to these perfect full body movements. Namaste. Start in a sitting pose. Sit over your cushion, the scaffold. Outstretch your legs. Chin to your chest. Place your hands beside your body. Both feet flexed. Inhale and exhale by your nose during the whole practice. Feel the pose. Inhale, raise your arms. Look up, exhale. Drop forward. Take your feet. With your hands, flex your elbows. Inhale deeply, exhale. Drop a little bit more to the floor. Exhaling, roll your back up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, place your hands. Take out your cushion and we're gonna move the back. Table in and table out. Doing anteversion when you inhale in, doing retroversion when you exhale in. Now add the movement of your arms, open it, close it, pointed mudra, inhale, look up, exhale, drop forward. Inhale, open your arms, exhale, pointed mudra. Inhale, look up, extend your column, exhale, drop forward. Feel the flow, inhaling and exhaling, moving your body. Well done. Drop forward. Perfect. Now, flex your both legs, soles of the feet together in Konasana. If you need it, put your cushion and sit over. And we're gonna do the same movements of your back and arms. Drop forward. Inhaling, open your arms. Exhaling, table in. Well done. Root your hips. Try to open your legs. Hold your pelvic floor. Activate your abs during the whole movements. And now, open your legs. Pointed feet. And do the same. Root your legs, root your hips. Inhaling, open your arms or chest. Exhaling, going back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drop forward. Well done. Feel your rhythm, feel your breathing. Hands to your chest. Put yourself in Quadrupedal and extend, inhaling, and flex your column, exhaling. Try to move your shoulders back when you inhale in, show your heart. And stay neutral. Place your toes and elevate your knees from the floor just a little bit. Activate your pelvic floor, your abs. Align your head with your shoulders and start walking through the mat. Backwards and forward. Control the movements, control your strength and your breathing. You remember your knees is almost touching the floor and go to Adho Mukha. Follow the flow, go to bird pose and downward facing dog. Feel this movement and stay for a bit in bird pose. Place your knees on the floor. Inhale, extend, exhale, flex your column. Hips and shoulders are moving it also. Stay neutral. Extend left leg and right arm. And start touching knee and elbow when you exhale. Feel the balance, feel the strength of this pose, of this movement. Well done. Remember to push the floor with your hand and with your knee. Inhale, extend, exhale, go to neutral. Extend right leg, left arm, and follow with this movement, touching knee, elbow. Your side goes between your both hands on the floor. Well done. And to the pose, move just a bit. Inhale and exhale again in cat and cow pose. And now sit on your toes. Interlock your arms, extend, look up. Exhale, full forward, forehead on the floor. Open your hips, extend your arms. And do the pose. Extend your arms in front and roll back. And sit on your knees. Place your hands on your lower back and extend column. Interlock your arms in front and change hands to your lumbar part. Take care about the movement of your head. Just move your head, not your neck. Extend it. Place your elbows on the floor. Raise your right leg. And make some movements with this leg extended. Feel your hip and place it on the floor. Now turn to your left elbow and open the pose. Right arm extended and right leg extended. Push your body backwards. Open your chest. Open your hips. Open your trunk. And undo the pose. Very slowly. Come back to quadrupedal. And place your elbows. And extend left leg. And do some movements. Feel the movement from your hip. And move your body from your right elbow, extend arm and leg. And go a little bit backwards. Open your whole body. And come back again to quadrupedal. Move in circles, upper back, lower back, hips, buttocks, head, neck, elbows. Tiptoes on the floor and come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Extend your arms, open your chest. Look at your hands and jump. Stay in Malasana. If you need it, put a cushion or a brick under your buttocks. Your knees are aligned with your feet. Try to not put all the weight in the brick. Push the floor with your feet. And very carefully go sitting on the floor. Extend your legs on the floor. And we're gonna do the same movements we did at the beginning. Going to Paschimottanasana. Going back, open your chest, extend your column, flex it. Rise your arms and fold forward. Feel your breathing and feel the movement of your body. And drop in Paschimottanasana. Stay here. And breathe. Slowly go back. Place your sole of the feet on the floor. Extend your arms. And go vertebra by vertebra, placing your body on the floor. Extend your arms beside, bring your lumbar on the floor, extend your legs. We're gonna do some breath work for your abdomen. The inhalation is passive, the exhalation is very active. When you exhale, you push your hips up. Take your time to understand this exercise. It has to be synchronized, your breathing with your movement. Exhaling, hips up. Inhaling, passive. Hug your legs, inhale deeply. Hold the breath and exhale by your mouth. One more. Inhale deeply. Hold and exhale by your mouth. The conscious breathing always integrate the practice. Let's start another cycle. Remember, exhalation is very active, hips up. Inhalation is passive. Breathing by your nose. Feel the synchronize of your movement and breathing. Legs extended, pointed feet. Shoulders relaxed and hug your legs. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale by your mouth. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale by your mouth. Well done. Open your arms in cross, palms down, flex your legs on the chest and go leaning from your right to the left. Your shoulders are rooted on the floor. If you want, move the head opposite the legs. Hug your legs in Apanasana. Chin to your chest, shoulders very relaxed. Thighs as much as closer to your chest and abdomen. massaging with this pressure your organs with the breathing. Feel the breath walking through your body and relax with this sensation. We're gonna finish in this posture. Stay the time you need. Then unto the pose, be thankful. Namaste.